there are actually kind of 5 key steps to lean working and lean thinking. Very important, because this again lends itself to how we work in agile teams nowadays. Totally, understandable, totally practical, and very much relatable to what we are doing right now. So first and foremost rule is basically define the end customer, the end user value for a specific product. So it's all about the product that you're working. Again, related back to what we said initially about agile thinking, it's the product thinking, not project. So you're thinking products, you're thinking releases, you're thinking milestones, you're thinking about delivering a set of features or a feature. You're thinking about customers and users and the contexts of usage. This is what we call the design thinking, the systems thinking, product thinking, right? It's quite opposed to what we were thinking before in traditional way. It's all project thinking. The project thinking, yes, it is important even now, but there's 1 or 2 persons who look at that. The team, we as a team don't have to worry about the project thinking. We need to make sure that we own the product, we commit to the product estimates, we deliver, we own the product that way, right? So, and that's the whole idea of why we need to deploy some of the tools like Lean, Kanban, Scrum. These are really powerful tools that would help us really apply this on a day-to-day basis. So we need to think in terms of specific capabilities and benefits of a feature. For example, if you want to really look at it, you can't just be generic. You can't just be thinking about, oh, I can use this phone, but what in the phone you're trying to use? Is it to call? Is it to try and send a message? Is it to try and do a specific functionality via a mobile app? So that's the kind of thinking we should adopt. We should start thinking a specific price point, a specific time of release, specific time of usage. All of these are specific. You're not really trying to actually shoot something, arrows in the dark. We're actually trying to be as specific as possible with what we're trying to work on, right? So that's important. And Lean again advises us to identify the entire value stream for each product. So when you say a value stream, that's a very important concept in Lean. It's called value stream mapping, which is a technique. It's about identifying where in the entire life cycle are you trying to create value, the value generation. So the value is basically, as we discussed yesterday, is from the perspective of the customers and users, not from your point of view or my point of view. If you understand the customer's needs and the opportunities and their challenges, constraints, then you're in a much better position to clarify where the value gets created. And that's where the product realization come in, the order fulfillment, production, all of these, in the context of the entire life cycle, right from the design stage or the requirements analysis stage, all the way through design, architecture, low-level design, development, testing, user acceptance testing, deployment, all of these, the whole delivery life cycle, you would try and understand where it really fits in.